What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kanai again. We're coming up tonight with another tutorial in Java development. So we're going to be talking about else-if statements. How important is to use else-if statements. I already have my program ready to go. I already imported my Java utility scanner. I got my class, I got my main methods, and now I gotta declare my scanner variable. So which we're going to do that. So I didn't say, but we're going to be building tonight like a basic calculator using else-if statements, which means there's going to be more possibilities we're going to be using. There's going to be more conditions we're going to be using with this example of building a basic calculator. So scanner in equals new scanner system. I think this is too big. Is it too big? Let's make it right there. Could be right there. Yeah. Okay. So now we gotta use some data type. So we're gonna be using an int, the famous a. We're going to be giving a value of 0. We're going to be using a b. Also, we're going to be defining with the 0, and then we get an int total equal 0 to, and then we're going to be using a char because we're going to be using letters to distinguish which operator they want to use to do the the calculator. I don't know if that makes sense, but okay. So now we're going to be using system.out print line. So let's give her like a title to this. Welcome to my basic calculator. Let's do that. To my basic calculator. All right. All right. So then we gotta do another system because we wanna so we gotta give some type of description like what the program is going to, how the program is going to be working. For example, right here, welcome to my basic calculator, right? I want this program to have like every time when there is if you enter a letter, right? Like for example, A is going to be equal to addition. If you enter B, it's going to be equal to subtraction. But you gotta tell in your program what the user is going to be doing, because we're going to be asking some questions to the users. So okay, going to enter the following letters for the operations. Oh man. No, again. Cool. So now, right here, we're going to be having the instructions. So if you enter a, letter A is going to be equals to addition, right? Let's just copy this. And let's paste it 3 times. And then let's change the letter. If you enter a B, it's going to be a subtraction. If you enter a C, it's going to be a, what do you think, multiplication. If you enter a D, it's going to be a division. Cool. So we got that. Let's go to the next line. So now we gotta ask some numbers to the user. Enter the first number. We want to enter the first number. And now right here, we're going to have a equals to int the next int. Parentheses. And it's ending in semicolon. And then you're going to be asking for the second number. Enter the second number. Let's change that. And then let's write right here a B. Okay. So the user is going to enter a number. It's going to be stored on A. And also is going to be enter the second number. It's going to be stored in B. Right? So now after this, we want to ask the next question. Enter a letter to start the operation. And right here, let's end that. What is a char? No, the name of the char, letter, equals to in the next parentheses. What are we saying at that char at 0 semicolon. Now right here, we're going to be using all those fun if statements. But before that, we gotta use another system that out print line. So for the letter that they enter, so we're going to say you enter letter, right? Let's concatenate that. Let's put the answer for the letter that they enter. And then I always have problem with this system. Right here. If letter we're comparing, right, equals to A, I want the program to do the following statement. So I want this to say this will be an addition. another print line, and the operation, we're going to say the operation of concatenate. So the operation of the number that are entered for the first, for A, plus A plus B and right here we'll do the total equals to A plus B. Okay, so we got, if letter is equal to A, we're going to be executing this. It's going to be printing this part. It's going to be doing this part right here, this statement. So since we have addition, we have subtraction, multiplication, and division. So that means that there is more conditions that we have to use. And for that, that's why we have to use else if statements. So if letter is equal to B, so basically it's going to be the same over here. Let's just kind of copy that and paste it right there. So this will be a, no, this is going to be a subtraction. This is going to be a subtraction. Okay. And the same we got for the next one is going to be a multiplication. Let's just kind of copy all of this. If letter is equal to C, it's going to be a multiplication. Multiplication. And right here is going to be the start for multiply. And here we gotta change this. So right here is going to be a multiplication. Right here is going to be subtraction. And we have one more. And the last one, this is letters equal to D, is going to be a division. We got that right here, okay. And then else, going to have total equals to 0. Okay. Now we get system that out line, and then we have the total. The total is plus total. Okay, let's go ahead and print this or execute this. Right here. Okay, welcome to my basic calculator. Enter the following letters for the operation. A equals addition, B equals subtraction, C equals multiplications, D equals division. Enter the first number. Okay, let's do the first number. Let's do 12. Second number, let's do 5. So enter the letter to start the operation. Let's do an addition. Let's do A. You enter letter A. This will be an addition. The operation, oh man, is operation of 12 plus 5. The total is 17. We got it. We got it, guy. Okay, cool. So the addition is working fine. Let's try the next one. Okay, enter the first number. Let's do 6. Let's do 4. Enter a letter, so let's do a B. So it's going to be a subtractions. You enter letter B. This will be as an, oh man, messed up in that, a subtraction. The operation of 6 minus 4, the total is 2. Yeah, it's working fine. Nice. Okay, let's do it again. Now let's taste the C for multiplication. Okay, let's do 12. Enter second number, 12. Letter C. You enter letter C. This will be a multiplication. The operation of 12 times 12, the total is 144. Cool. It's working good. Let's taste the last one. Enter the first number. Let's do 25. Enter the second number. Let's do a 5. Enter the letter to start the operation. It's going to be a D for division. You enter the letter D. This will be a division. The operation of 25 divided by 5, the total is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Cool. See? We were able to do the basic calculator using else-if statements. And that wasn't that bad. I think it was pretty good. All right, guys. Thank you for checking the video. Hopefully this kind of helped you in your journey to become a self-taught developer, especially with this programming language, Java. So hopefully this kind of helped you a little bit in your journey. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it. Thank you, and have a nice night. Bye.